Good morning, everyone. My name is Dabbu Singh. I'm coming from Jeswa, nearby Mart, and currently I am pursuing my 12th from Brasdam as a dummy. And my hobbies are playing cricket and riding bikes. And my future planning to crack NDA, and I will prepare for it. Currently, I am pursuing my 12th. That's why I'm not able to preparing for my NDA. That's all about my
Okay.
introduction.
Tell me the full form of NDA.
National Defense Academy.
Okay, so why do you want to join NDA only? Why not Indian Army?
Because when I was in 8th class,
Yes.
I I want to be a I wanted to be a officer in Air Force, and my father suggested me to that you can go through by the you can go through the NDA, and that time I decided to go
Okay.
through the NDA.
Tell me your views on the Agniveer scheme.
If I talk about Agniveer scheme, uh, it will be the beneficial for the country, because you know that after 4 years you have to given the re-exam as a physical exam, and you are good in the you are doing your job very well in physical and in that field, then you can easily you can easily increase your period of duty. Am I right? Period of duty. And I'm not saying that some person are lazy, but you can easily understand what I want to say. Some person just think that once I got the selection in army and other field, and I will enjoy my life, and that's not good for that kind of person, as far as I know.
Okay, so please tell me your hobbies.
My hobbies are playing cricket and riding bikes.
Okay, who is your role model?
uh, I can say my grandfather is my role model, because as he told us that he did work hard for the family, and he understood the condition of that time, and he
Managed.
managed the time as the condition, and he's very hardworking person.
So
Okay.
this quality not found in your father.
This quality found in my father, but my grandfather uh, passed through by this time,
As you.
and improving the time
अभी चल रही पापा की जितनी है उसकी.
and improve the time.
You continue.
Yes, yes.
You continue.
So
You
tell
can
me your
say you
one.
can say you are very close with your grandfather.
Yes.
Yeah.
Friendly.
But this is the question right. Question was right.
So you are taking any coaching for this preparation or you are doing?
I'm just pursuing my 12th. That's why I just focus over the syllabus of 12th and 11th for my
So you
upcoming.
you are you are focusing on this parallelly your study. Parallelly your study, you are preparing for this.
Parallelly, side by side.
As you said, you are not able to prepare for your ND exam right now because right now you are preparing for your 12th exam and you are focusing more on that. So I want to ask you that most of the students who are aspirant of NDA are preparing for NDA simultaneously with their 12th class preparation, and most of the students are those students who have cleared the NDA when they are in 12th class, like she is there. So why they are able to prepare for NDA with 12th class and why you are not?
First of all, there is no difference between the syllabus of 12th class, and you are studying, and
For NDA.
yeah,
That's why I'm
nothing
asking
is
you
different.
that
You just have to focus over your maths. First of all, maths, because this is the most important subject in that ND exam, and if you are good in, if you have good clutch over the math, then you can able to crack the ND exam, as far as I know.
So what are the reasons because of them you are not able to prepare simultaneously for both 12?
Because if I focus over
so that I mean otherwise it will look little bit awkward. थोड़ा सा manage कर लो yes. हाँ जब आपने कोई
uh, if I focus over my math of 12th class, then I can be easily crack the ND exam.
भी मतलब आप
I can easily crack ND exam. And if I thought that I have to I have to solve the question of first of all I have to purchase any kind of other books for NDA, and I have to do the question of that book. That's not good. First of all, I have to do my NCRT because it is the basic. And after clearing the 12th, and I will go for ND exam after 12th.
So, as you yourself said, that the syllabus of 11th and 12th and NDA exam are very very similar. Okay, or we can say both syllabus are same. So, the same question you need to solve in your 12th class, you need to solve same question in your NDA exam. So, if you are preparing for your 12th class math, then it means you are preparing for your NDA math also.
Yeah.
So, what is the difference between the question you are going to attempt in 12th and NDA?
Nothing is different as far. First of all, I never see a paper of NDA, and
I have never seen.
and I already mentioned that I am pursuing my 12th, and if I have good clutch over my math, then I will go for the NDA exam. Otherwise, I don't waste my time to go through the NDA exam. First of all, I have to confirm that I am able to or not able to crack the NDA exam. Then I will go.
So, what's your age right now?
I am 15 and a half in document.
Yes.
Yeah.
In documents, okay. So, sister, could you please tell me what is the age limit for NDA's exam?
For written exam, 15 and a half to 18 and a half.
Yeah.
For SSB, 16 and a half to 19 and a half.
Okay. So it means after completing your
12th, I'm able to.
You will have 6 attempts.
Yeah.
You will have 6 attempts, and now when you are in 12th class, you are trying to rectify your mathematics.
Yeah.
And after that, you will try for NDA. Okay, that's good.
Great. So how many stages are there in NDA?
First of all, you have to clear your written exam, and after that, if you selected in that exam, then you will go for the SSB for 5 days, and first day is the screening test, and if you qualified that test, then you can go for the final 4 days interview SSB, and after cleared the SSB, you will go to the medical, and after medical you will send to the training for 3 years, and after that you can be a officer.
Which post you will get first after completing your training?
First of all, I just want to be a pilot in
Pilot.
Air Force.
So by through NDA you can go in all of three.
Yeah, if I have PCM.
Army, like Army, Air Force, Navy.
If I have PCM, then I can go for 3.
Okay.
But if I have commerce and
Okay.
PCB, then
PCM, then you can go.
I have only one choice,
Okay,
Army.
Then you have to choice.
Yeah, I have only one choice.
Okay.
So I have heard that there is any ground task in NDA's SSB.
Yeah, there is a ground task,
They
but
will make you perform a ground task.
that's
Maybe on 3rd or 4th day or 2nd day.
I don't know the actually. I
First of
also
all, hear me out without interrupting. And that boy Priyanshu told me that they used to give you a ground task and they will explain you about colors and everything that they are going to provide you. And after that, you have to complete that ground task. So, according to you, what is the need of that ground task in the SSB of NDA?
because they want to they want to know you that how can you survive in that condition if you stuck in that condition, if you how can I explain, you are talking about the they give you the rope and balli and all that.
No, not like that. So do you have knowledge about that ground task?
Yeah, he's asking about GTO task,
GTO, ground task,
group task officer.
group task officer.
GTO.
I don't have much knowledge about that.
Okay. So, what is your opinion on India and Pakistan's relation?
In my perspective, the relation between India and Pakistan is not good because of the terrorism. Pakistan send the terrorist to the India for the, you can say, the Jammu Kashmir side, because they said that that's our area, that's not the part of the India, and they always occupied that place, and this is the main reason behind the relationship is between India and Pakistan is not good, and Pakistan always,
Because Kashmir is the bone of contention.
yes sir,
POK.
POK.
So, according to you, POK is the only reason of fluctuation in the relation of India and Pakistan.
बोलते जाओ, सोचते जाओ, बोलते बोलते सोचो.
Sir, I don't have much knowledge about that.
तो फिर मना करो. Then they will ask other
I already
questions.
told.
Don't have knowledge about India and Pakistan.
Yeah.
So, as you mentioned, riding bike as your hobby. So, could you please tell me which is the best bike that you have ridden till now? Ridden? Ridden
Till now, according to the comfort, and what do you want to ask in which field? Speed,
Best
comfort.
bike according to you, the one which you like most.
Standard 350.
Standard 350. So, what was the reason?
Because it is the one of the classical motorcycle bike, and if you ride it, it could be the more comfortable than the sports bike, and I never ride such a powerful bike, then I don't have experience about all that, but if I have opportunity to ride, then I will.
Okay. So, the most powerful bike that you have ridden is
Standard 350.
Standard 350. Okay. So, definitely, if riding bike is your hobby, then you must have a knowledge about that.
Yeah, I have a knowledge.
So, according to you, which one is better, Pulsar 150 or Apache 160?
Apache 160,
How can you say that?
because of the smoothness of engine. The Apache RTR is more smooth than you are talking about the Pulsar
What
150,
is the difference of CC measurement of both engines?
because if you are talking about the 160 RTR 160, it is the engine of 159, no, 159 cc, something around, and you are talking about the 150 Pulsar 150, it is something around 145 cc,
Okay.
and you can easily find the BHP difference between the BHP and torque as well as, and the looking wise, always you also prefer the Apache RTR because of the performance, the sound, and the capability, and the strongness.
What are the benefits of ABS technology in biking system?
Yeah. If someone आगे आ जाना.
Comes in front.
If someone comes in front of you and you suddenly you have to apply brake, and you are applying in your bike there is a disc brake, and you are applying that brake, and the because of the disc brake your tire will be locked and without ABS. But if ABS in your bike, then it will cover in a jiffy. I'm not saying in Zephyr, it took less time than the normal brake, and uh, it don't slip, I can say.
Okay, so please tell me, as we are talking about ABS,
Yeah.
it means anti-blocking system. ABS brake, anti-blocking system
Yeah.
brake. So, but the disc brake, when we are talking about disc brake, ABS also considers disc brake, IBS also considers disc brake. But in IBS, when we are applying brakes, so it blocks the tire immediately.
Yeah.
Okay, but ABS doesn't do such. So how can you say that it stops the bike quickly as compared to IBS?
Because if your tire got slip, then it
I'm not discussing about slipping.
let me explain. If your tire got slip and it took more distance to stop bike, but if your tire is just don't slip,
It's not slipping.
yeah, it took less time than that,
Okay.
and it may help you to make the balance of bike.
It can prevent injuries and all.
Yeah.
Any other question? What was your another hobby?
Playing cricket.
Could you please tell me the difference between the playing style of Virat Kohli and Rahul or Rohit Sharma?
Rohit Sharma. I forget the playing style of that's a name. He's a power hitter, Rohit Sharma,
Yes, he is.
and you can say Kohli is not defense, but I forget the that word.
So, which is the most favorite shot of Virat Kohli?
Cover drive,
Our time.
straight cover drive,
And Rohit Sharma?
pull shot.
Full shot. So you have a knowledge about cricket also.
No silence, जल्दी करो question.
No one is asking.
Can you describe democracy?
Speak loud.
Can you
Mic is
describe
very
democracy?
far. No, look up. नहीं देखो सामने या नीचे. डेमोक्रेसी की शुरुआत करो ना जल्दी से.
सर
व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी है, क्या इसके एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या हैं, भारत में इसका वो रिजल्ट कैसा रहा है आफ्टर द फ्रीडम.
sir, I don't have actual word to explain.
So why don't you watch my videos then? When I send it to you, then you avoid it.
Sir, I don't get the video of
You
democracy.
don't actually work on them, na? You deny that I'm too busy like that. You don't work on them. That's why I stopped sending you then. I have the videos on almost on these topics. Basic topic है ये तो. चलो other question. He shouldn't actually fail on these questions although. Democracy is such a low topic. Even fifth class kids speak on this. I'll send you the video of class 5th student on this, of this coaching. You are not in class 5th, you are more than that. Yes, other question?
Are you from Mathura?
Yeah.
Tell us about Mathura. What do you like most in Mathura?
Mathura is known for the religious place like Krishna Janambhoomi, and Dwarkadish Mandir is also one of them, the famous temple of the Mathura, and Vrindavan is also part of Mathura, and you can easily find there are many temples in Vrindavan also, such as Banke Bihari, Prem Mandir, and ISKCON temple is also one of them. And in Mathura there is a one I've you can easily find the university like GLA, Sanskrit University is one of them, and I already mentioned that tourist place,
Okay,
religious
so
place.
can you tell me which is the famous upcoming temple in Mathura?
Upcoming, it may be वो इसको it may be Chandrodaya Mandir.
Yes.
Chandrodaya,
Yes. In Vrindavan.
yeah,
It's about to construct.
yeah.
What is the expected time to be completed this temple?
Expected.
Time,
Because it is under construction
yeah.
right now.
I think he is not an engineer.
No. I'm asking like that.
Okay, basically.
Maybe 2028,
Maybe
something like,
2028.
yeah.
I also read about it. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, apart from UP, have you visited any other state?
No.
So you can tell about your family background.
My father is an ex-army. Now he is doing in the job in IOB Bank at Holygate as a security guard, and my grandfather did IIT in 1960, and they were selected. They yeah, he got select in government teacher, and he denied to do that job, and he's farming nowadays, and my mother is housemaker.
Your father completed IIT exam? No.
My grandfather, ITI, and we are 4 siblings, and I'm only the brother, and I have 3 sisters, and my 3 sisters got married.
You are
That's
one.
yeah, I'm the elder one, youngest one.
Yeah. So, have you covered any topic that is given by sir? Any one of you have any idea about?
There is a normal topic like the Mathura, about Mathura, and child labor.
So please tell me something about child labor.
Child labor. According to me, child labor is good. And first of all, I just want to say that it's all depend on the condition. And if child don't have income resource like that, he don't have father, he don't have mother, he don't have family, then he have to do work for the daily needs, for the foods. Then in that condition, child labor is good. But in the compulsion, child labor is not good, because if child wants to study, it's child wants to do any kind of business, and someone try to force him that you have to do that भीख मांगना,
You have to be a labor as well.
या
You want to get arms.
आर्म्स,
So
Arms?
different
Yeah,
things
arms
are
to gain
child
a-
labor.
भिक्षा मांगना, it is known as arms.
Is this labor?
Earning arms.
Begging?
Begging.
Begging.
Begging is also good. Saying that.
No, this is the
child labor is maybe different.
Perspective. Yes.
In the compulsion, child labor is not good, as far as in my opinion.
So why the Indian government banned child labor? If it is good.
Please repeat your question.
Why the Indian government banned child labor if it is good?
Because there is no child who wants to do labor work in their playing age, you can say the learning age. He don't want to do any kind of work, but most of the people force him to do the work. You can I have an example. If a child have father like he is too much boozy, and he always drinks and force the child to do the labor work, and he don't want to do labor work, and he just want to study, and he just want to do any kind of other business. He wants to do any kind of other business, and the father of that child force him to the labor work, forces him to the labor work. Then that's why government banned, and you can say the banned for
Child labor.
Banned the child labor.
banned the child labor.
So I'll give him a huge round of applause.